Now, here's a similar type of problem. It's just given to us in a different format. So remember, in this format, this value right in here represents our x value, and this value here represents our y. So that's actually the ordered pair 0, 10, an input of 0 and an output of 10. And this point, again, this would be my x, this would be my y. So I'd have 6, 34. So again, the first thing we have to do is find the slope. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the difference of the y, so 34 minus 10, all over 6 minus 0. That gives me 24 divided by 6, which is 4. So that equals my slope is 4. And again, this point right here represents my y-intercept, because if the x value is 0 and the y value is 10, then my b is equal to 10. So then my function would be f of x is equal to 4 times x plus 10. And this is, again, just like y equals mx plus b, but because they wanted us to write it as a linear function, we use f of x equals 4x plus 10. Alright, this last example, if we read through this, they're going to tell us that we're going to write an equation that will represents the number of megawatt hours generated by non-hydropower renewable energy sources as a function of the number of years since 2007. So in this first part, they tell us that we used 105 million, and if it's since 2007, that's going to represent 0 years past 2007. In 2012, that'd be 5 years later, and they've used 219. So these are our two ordered pairs. So again, if we go ahead and use this, we take 219 minus 105 all over 5 minus 0, and that gives us 114 over 5 is equal to our m. And again, this is our y-intercept. So we have y equals, and if I divide this out, this would be 22.8 times x plus 105. Now, if they want us to use this to determine and predict in 2017, well, that would be 10 years past 2007. So that means we'd substitute in for 10, or 10 in for x. So 22.8 times 10 would be 228 plus 105 would be 333 megawatt hours that we would be producing with non-hydropower renewable energy sources.